We are talking tense. Whenever we deal with tense, there are two crucial aspects to remember. One is there is a flow of time, and number two, the action of the verb exerts on a particular point of that flow of time. That is, the action of the verb can be located somewhere in that flow of time. That flow means it may be past time, it may be present time, or it may be the future time. These are the three major divisions of tense: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Now, each of these three major divisions is once again subdivided into four subgroups. They are simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. One by one we will be discussing things. The other day we discussed the areas of application of present indefinite tense or simple present tense. Today we'll try to see how the face of a verb is changed when it is conjugated. So hello and welcome to this session of Language Mantra channel. Today this is session number 22 of the Basic English course. Let's see how the face of a verb changes. That means we have two major verbs, to be and to have. Why important verbs? Because these two verbs are very frequently used verbs. And number two, both of these verbs can be used as main verbs and again auxiliary verbs. So how they change their face, this is what we are going to do. It is tense, that is to some extent tense is responsible for this, and two other related factors are there. Those two factors are also responsible. These two items, person and number, go together. Now these are actually categories in the English grammar. We have three persons: first person, second person, and third person. And we have two numbers: singular number and plural number. So it stands like this: first person singular number, first person plural number. Then second person singular number, second person plural number. Then third person singular number, third person plural number. First person singular number is I. I means me, myself. मैं, me. This is first person singular number. Interesting thing about first person singular number in English is that I, that is always used as a capital letter. It is never, in the small letter. In many other languages, we do not have that option, but in English, this is. Although we think that, okay, I am a very important person. हम किसी से कम नहीं. But we cannot show the way British can do. I, always singular number and capital letter. Maybe we cannot write like this, but okay, I am very much important person. You are also very much important person in your own way. So I is singular number. And I plus I plus I plus I, so many I's coming together as a group. Say my father, my mother, my wife, my children, and myself all together in a group, we become we. I, in plural number it becomes we. And the person who is just sitting beside me, but not in my group or in our group, he is you. And then again you plus you plus you plus you, so many you, they coming together as a group becomes second person plural number you. What about third person? Everything other than first person and second person comes within the group of third person. In singular number, we have three items. He, if it's a man. She, S-H-E, she means a woman. And it, if it is neither a man nor a woman, it may be a thing, it may be an idea, it may be a tree, it may be whatever. So this is he, she, and it. These are the three items we have in the third person singular number. And everything, whatever else is there, comes within the category of third person plural number. Now let's see how the face is changing. Now, to be verb. To be verb. When I say I am is a form of to be verb. But when you see am and to be, you cannot recognize. How can am come from to be? But it is that. You have to accept it. Then you are, singular you are. Then he is. So we have at least three phases: am, is, and are. So is just once, third person singular number. Then am only once, first person singular number. And the rest, whatever you have, you can comfortably use are. What about to have verb? It's still easier. Have verb has only two phases: have and has. Third person singular number has, and the rest, all other persons and numbers. Just use have comfortably, no problem. When it comes to a, say, interrogative sentence, what will happen? I am a man. Am I a man? She is a nurse. Is she a nurse? I have a pen. Have I a pen? No problem. Just you bring have or am verb first and then put the sentence as it is. No problem. Negative sentence. I have no ball. I have a ball. I have no ball. I am a doctor. I am not a doctor. So this is the way we have actually elaborately discussed negative sentence and interrogative sentence in our basic course session number 6, 7, 8 and 10. So you can have a look back and see them. So it will be very easy for you to understand. So this much or all this we have to talk about the changing phase of verb to be and to have. The next time we'll see how S and ES is used in the third person. So I think this much today. We can take up other verbs the next time. Have a nice time, but as usual we can request you just share our channel, view it fully and subscribe our channel, and next time we hope to see you once again. Have a nice time. Bye.